Hello everyone, my name is Abhinav Gupta. Today we will be talking about ELSS, that is tax saving investments. I would like to start with the saying that money saved equals to money earned. ELSS funds are diversified equity funds that invest a major proportion of their corpus into equity or equity related instruments across companies and across sectors. It gives you a dual benefit of tax saving and capital appreciation. ELSS funds are also called tax saving schemes since they offer an exemption of up to Rs 1.5 lakhs from your annual taxable income under Section 80C of Income Tax Act. This is a cumulative deduction, which means you can avail a benefit of 1.5 lakhs under the above mentioned section for investments made in all the investments specified like ELSS, NSC, PPF, etc. Though it is an equity instrument, so you will be getting the benefit of equity markets growth as well. But one thing to keep in mind, equity markets have always been volatile. So there is a degree of risk attached to your ELSS. There can be phases of positive, flats, or even negatives. So that is the price which you pay for superior inflation beating returns. ELSS comes with a mandatory lock-in period of 3 years. If you are an SIP investor, each tranche of your SIP will be treated as a separate investments, and it is necessary to complete a period of 3 years before assessing them. There is no option for partial or premature withdrawal. Where other tax saving investments come with a higher lock-in period of 5, 10, 15 years, ELSS comes with a 3-year lock-in period, though making it a more liquid investment as compared to other tax saving investments. Also, many of us caught up in the struggle of investing surplus amount for tax saving at the year end, that is from the month of January to the month of March. Though we invest a lump sum amount in ELSS or might be into some other traditional investing options. Not it's stressful, but it always puts you at the stage of taking some ill decisions. So avoid the year end rush, put your investments to tax saving and autopilot mode and start an SIP into an ELSS funds, though it will also give you the benefit of averaging as well. SIP makes you a regular investor, gets you the benefit of rupee cost averaging, and will eliminate the market timing risk. Summing up, ELSS funds offer you a wide range of benefits. Number 1, SIP, that is the monthly investments that you will make. Number 2, starting investments with a low amount. Number 3, diversification in the forms of sectors and companies. So, give your tax saving a second thought, consider ELSS instead of long-term savings product, and start your investments journey today into ELSS funds. Happy investing.